walking you through on how you can launch an EC2 instance and connect with it using secure shell via port 22. And I will also go over some common troubleshooting issues when connecting through SSH. So let's begin. Let's launch a new instance. Okay, I'm going to call it demo instance. You can call it whatever you want. Instance. Okay, we're going to be using Amazon Linux 2. This one, 2023 AMI. Scroll down, T2 Micro, because it is free tier eligible. So you don't have to pay up any money. Key pair. So I'm going to create a new key pair for this video. So this is how you do it. If you are running Windows 10 and above, you should be using .pem. If you're running Windows 8 or Windows 7, you should be using .ppk. But my desktop runs, my monitor is using Windows 10, so I'll be using a .pem. And it's a RSA, that is great. You can name your key. I will name my key as demo YouTube key. So this is the key we will be using to connect from our desktop to the virtual server. So create it, and you're going to want to download this, and you're going to want to keep this safe. You do not want to be sharing this key to anyone else, so keep it safe. So I'm going to store it in the E drive. Okay, once it's downloaded, you can move on. Network settings, create a new security group. Unless you know how to configure your own security group, I suggest you go ahead with creating a new security group. Allow SSH traffic, we need that because we need to do a SSH connect from anywhere. Allow HTTP traffic. My use case is a bit different, so I'm going to allow it. It's up to you, it's not a necessity. I'm going to leave the storage as default. Advanced details, you don't need any of these. No. Yes, and user data we don't need because this tutorial only entails me connecting to the instance. So I'm going to launch the instance now. Okay, now if we can go back and check it out. Okay, the instance is still pending, so let's give it a couple of seconds, probably 20-30 seconds depending on where you stay. Okay, so the instance is up and running. So now let's connect to this instance using an SSH. Now let me open up PowerShell. Okay, so this is PowerShell. Now we need to go to the directory which has the key pair. So it's in my D drive, so I'll switch to that. Sorry, it's in my E drive. Okay, let's do an ls, and the key pair is a .pem file. Here it is. Okay, so this is the command you need to run to connect with SSH. SSH -i. You give the path of the file, so that is within E drive, and demo okay, so demo YouTube key, so that's the location of the key. Along with that, you need to pass in the following command: EC2 user at the public IP address of the EC2 instance. Then you pass it in and you click enter. You give yes here. Okay, now this is a common problem. Warning: unprotected private key file. It is required that your private key files are not accessible by others. So how do you troubleshoot this? So let's go where the file is. Correct. So it's in my E drive, and this is the key, right? Oh, my bad. This is the key. We need to change the permissions of the key. So click on properties, security, advanced. Okay. Now you disable inheritance, remove all inheritance. Okay. Now you can add, select a principal, and just type in admin. Click OK. Okay. Yes, so this is my name. So as soon as I typed in admin, my name should auto populate. Apply these changes. Okay. Okay. That should do it. Now let's try again. Try the same command again. Here we go. We are successfully connected to the EC2 instance. Let's run some basic commands. For example, listing the user. Array? Seems to have disappeared. Okay. Okay, the key, sorry, we're in the wrong directory. CDE. Yeah, okay, we are connected. Now let's run IAM list users. This is a very basic command, just test it. Unable to locate credentials. You can configure credentials by running AWS configure. Now a rookie mistake would be to pass in your AWS configuration details here, but like your access key and secret key, but that is a very bad practice, and that is something you should never do, because this instance is available to everyone in your account. So anyone using this particular instance would have access to your secret key and secret access token, access key, right? So to not pass in your details here, you need to create a role. Okay, so this is the demo instance. Let's click on actions, security, modify IAM role, correct? And I have already created a demo role, but for the tutorial, let's create a new one. So you need to create a new role for your EC2 to access. So it is an AWS service. For my EC2, just leave it as is. You can give it permissions to do only EC. Okay. Since we want to access IAM, we are gonna give it IAM. Okay, let's give it IAM read only access. Next, demo. That is enough. Create the role. Once the role is created, go back to the previous screen, refresh. Yeah, this is the one, demo EC2 YouTube role, update IAM role. Okay, now it takes a couple of seconds for it to propagate, but I think I've waited enough. Let's try the same command again. Yeah, and there you go. These are my other accounts, and as simple as that's how simple it is to connect using SSH. Create a new role, and also safely create a new role instead of compromising your access key, secret key. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe if you want more such videos. Thank you.